Now let's create an application using not ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot. First, I'll create a new file. I'll keep it as a Python file. Now here I will type this prompt which I have saved. I'll say create. Okay, let me rename this file. I want to get a simple journaling application so that I can, use it to see what I have done in the current days or what I had done yesterday, just to write something up. So yeah, create a website in this file which can make a journal entry from the user and can display it when selected. It should also have a timestamp of the entry and make it beautiful. Now let's go. Sometimes it just asks me to save something we don't have to. It's still writing, it's still writing. I guess it has given me something, but let me change. Discard. Let me save it as a Python file and ask it to write a Python code. Try.py. Now let's go again. Yes, now we got the Python file. Okay, so it has written something, but here we need an index.html page. Okay, let's try that. For that, let me just make another folder named templates. In this templates folder, let me make index.html page. Now I'll give the same one, but this time I'll say this is an HTML file, index.html. Yeah, I guess it has created something. Let us just run this and see. Okay, the Flash server is up and running. Yes, I can give this is a test. Add entry. Yes, I'm able to add the entry, but I'm not able to edit this entry. Let's ask it to refactor the code so that I can edit the entry as well. Okay, modify using Copilot. Like what given, but I would also like to edit the previous entries. Let's make some changes. Let's see. Here you can see it's doing something. A lot of changes have been made. Okay, so it's made a few changes. But I guess the previous code is still available, which is not required. Let's run and see if this works. This works. Accept. Okay. Okay, there is some issue. Let me just remove everything and ask it again. We can use how many error attempts we want. index.html. I also want to edit the previous entries. And it is able to refactor, but for some reason it was not overwriting it. There were two HTML files, which is not actually required. That's why I had to clear out the previous one. Let's see now. Yeah, I guess this is a new entry. Add entry. Okay, there's an option to edit now. Yeah, now I can edit it. This is an old entry. Yeah, it has been edited. And we also have the timestamp of when we have actually written this. Now we have refactored the code. We have built an application. Let's see if this can build some test cases for the same. So let me create another file. Oh, I don't want it in templates. I want it here. Yeah, test try.py. In this file, write some unit test cases for try.py file which have previously created. Okay, so it has given us something. Let's see what are the issues here. Modify fix using Copilot. Oh, we need to pip install this. Okay, do that. Okay, that is done. Let's see. What are the other errors? Hmm, quick fix using Copilot. Excellent. Quick fix using Copilot. To resolve the inputter, make sure my module is a Python path or the same directory as the test script. If my module is a different directory, okay. Except, I guess it's not. Uh, what if I say try? What was it previously? My module app entries. Okay, okay. The problem is the name of the folder is try, and it's a bit problematic if the name is key. So let me rename it. Okay. Or journal. Let's rename this. So it's journal now. No, it's journal. Okay. Flask. Isn't this working? Fix using Copilot. Accept. Okay. So yeah, I guess that's all it has. Now let's run this. Oh, for this, I guess this should be running. I'm just making sure that try is not referenced anywhere else. Nope, it's not. Let's run this. Now it's up and running. Test. Python just underscore try. It's not tests, does it? This seems to be working fine. Test index test in the index page. Client declaration testing. Let's ask Copilot what's wrong. Why isn't this code testing content in your r.py? Okay, I guess it has made some changes, but it's not for testing, right? I want to test the functions you have written in journal.py using this file. I guess it's giving up the same thing which it had written before. Let's see, accept. It's not right. It's journal. Accept. Yeah. Not improve journal. It's not journal entries. Is it just entries? Yes, it's just entries. Where is it given as journal entries? Yeah, this one. Rename symbol. Size journal entry as well. So wherever there's an entry, it should be journal entry actually. Let's run and see. So there is one error, but it's 4 items and 1 error. Make sure your test mode have right Python package names while testing. Ways to put it. Okay, this is the app. Test input tab. Okay, there's some issue here. Fix using Copilot. Accept. No, it strikes again. Test. Hmm. Okay, I did make a few changes using ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot for the unit test cases. And these are the final unit test cases. You can see these also work. So this is working and the website is still up and running, which would be this one. If I have something added, yeah, this is added. Oh, sorry, that was the old one. This is the add entry. This is the edit option is available. You can just type in whatever you want and it will be edited. So Yeah. In this way, we can refactor the code, write your test case, and actually build an application using GitHub Copilot, which is an AI tool.